Have you ever watched a wonderful cooking or any video on YouTube but struggled to keep up with the fast talking or don't have time to watch 20 minutes long? Or maybe the text on the screen was just too small to read. Hello, friends. Welcome to Nana's Easy AI. We're embracing the future, one simple click at a time. No stress, no complicated jargon. Start having a little bit of fun with it. If I can do it, you can too. Let's get started. Well, today I'm going to show you how to use your AI assistant Gemini to read that video for you and write it down. First, we find our video. According to Google, one pot meal recipe is what the seniors Google the most. So we search one pot chicken parmesan pasta. Find the share button right below the screen, and we just copy that. Look at that. Now, we go over to Gemini. Paste. Just giving it the link type. Can you summarize this for me? Big and bold, or easy to read. No more pausing and rewinding 10 times. Gemini, write down it all for us. Let's try another one. This time we search senior health. Most of senior health channels are AI generated if you didn't know. I don't say it's bad, but you still want to know how the video you are watching created.
I want you to pay close attention to your feet for a moment. When you stand up from your chair,
Here we click link and copy, go to Gemini and paste it. Tell me about this. What does he talk about? Just like you asked to your smart friend. Gemini summarized it for us. Free cool that you can do this at Gemini. ChatGPT doesn't have this feature that you can't share like this yet. Different way you share with ChatGPT. Each AI has different ways to do things. Technology doesn't have to be fast and loud. Sometimes it's just there to help us slow down and enjoy the things we love, like baking, cooking for the people we care about. Give this a try today and let me know what you found you want to cook. Thank you for watching Nana's Easy AI, and God bless.
Learning